The festive season is starting and we wanted to welcome it with a very special homemade recipe. Today we are making this tasty and lusciously soft Gulkanda ice cream. Let's take about half a liter full fat milk. Full fat milk will make your ice cream creamier. Add 1 bowl of milk powder. This enhances the taste and makes it yummier. 500 grams of fresh cream is very essential to make this ice cream soft and creamy. 1/4 cup of rose syrup will add the taste, color and the sweetness to the ice cream. Now let's add our main ingredient, that is fresh Gulkand. This Gulkand is made of pure Indian roses. Add about 2 tablespoons of Gulkand. We are not adding any extra sugar to the base, as the rose syrup will add natural sweetness to the ice cream. We have blended the ice cream mixture for 10 minutes in a blender. Mix this mixture well to assess the texture of your ice cream base. Let's taste the mixture to check the exact sweet content and the taste. Take an aluminium shallow pan and pour your ice cream base mixture in it. A shallow pan ensures that ice crystals do not form in the ice cream base. Now comes the most interesting part. Let's add fresh rose petals on the ice cream mixture. Make sure you add Indian rose petals, which are small in size and pink in color. These petals taste much better than the hybrid rose petals. It's not just attractive but absolutely delicious. Now dip the rose petals in the ice cream base a little with a very light hand. Your ice cream base is ready and now let's freeze it for about 12 hours. Make sure you put a very tight lid on the container so that it does not form any water crystals. After freezing it for full 12 hours, our ice cream is ready. Wow, this looks amazing and beautiful. There's no other joy than having a homemade ice cream. Let's scoop it and enjoy this beautiful dish. Wow, this ice cream has turned out so yummy that why would you ever order ice cream from outside again? Add some fresh rose petals on the top of the ice cream to add the extra beauty. Enjoy this homemade lovely ice cream this festive season. Comment below if you like the recipe. Do subscribe, share and like.